Siguro this morning lang na feel ko na bride talaga ako. I'm a bride. I'm a bride. Engaged na kami noong September 2022. So, mahigit almost 2 years. Time really flies. So, yun lang yung naisip ko. Kasi today is our 10th year anniversary. So, parang it's just a breeze. Ganun. It's an easy kind of love. Very relaxed, very chill. No dramas. No. Nasa tamang tao ka. I think, yun, mararamdaman mo na it's an easy kind of love. Papagin.
Oh my God.
My favorite brand! Thank you, Mr. Norman.
And we don't need anything but us.
Your love is strengthened. Your love will be blessed. And your love will become fruitful when you stand for your commitment. Today, you commit to love each other until the end.
And I see beauty in your kindness. Oh, I'll never want more than you and me. 'Cause you're right here, and it's all I need.
Nabago ano iPad. I know we said no gifts, but you deserve a little something at least. To someone so selfless and generous, this is nothing but maybe enough to replace your decade-old one. Happy 10th anniversary. Thank you.
Dearest Pog, this is it. Time really flies. It feels like we have just started planning the wedding. And here we are. 10 years has passed and it feels like it was just yesterday when you stalked me sa Facebook. Salamat sa network marketing. Nakilala kita. Sansa!
Wala pa kulay eh. Ay, shit! Cheers! Tiga.
Sa'yo, saan man maglaya, ikaw
Pawi niya mo ba rin? Ocean eh. Ay, may shading din mag-ayos. Oo, shading. Badiwa. Thank you, brother.
ko lang sasabihin. Kailangan na ikaw ang kapiling ko sa ilalim ng buwan. Kay saya na ikaw ang katabi ko sa pagsikat ng araw. Di mawawala.
Tandaan mo lang anak, mahal na mahal ka na. Kahit anong mangyari, andito lang kami, sumusuporta sa'yo. Basta huwag mong pababayaan ang sarili. Kayong dalawa ni Tin, magmahalan at laging iuna ang Panginoon Diyos sa buhay ninyo. Mahal na mahal namin kayo.
to dry your happy tears, as you have always dried mine. Today a bride, tomorrow a wife. Always your first little baby girl. And best friend for life. I love you forever.
Naiyak din ako. Yung message ko dito is, navigate this path with me, Dad. As you have always had. So, I know nandyan lang siya. So, yeah, I wish he was here. Pero yeah, I know he's just around, guiding me always.
Saan man maglaya.
I promise to love you unconditionally, to support you in all of your dreams, and to cherish every moment we share, through good or bad. With all my heart, I take you as my partner, my love, my best friend, from this day forward, and for all of days of my life.